Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen, and today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to show you some anti-aging facial massage movements. So if you don't already know, I'm in esthetician school, and a big part of what we learn is massage and facial massage manipulation and movements, and it's such a great way to incorporate a free anti-aging aspect into your routine. Alright, I'm just gonna get right into the video. While I'm doing it, I'll tell you a little bit of some benefits, some good things to know about facial massage, but I'm gonna go wash my face and I will be right back. Okay you guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab my oil, and I like to use this one. It's the Elemis Rose Oil. It's their Pro Collagen facial oil. So as you age, the collagen supply in your skin decreases, so having an extra little source of collagen building goodness is always good to have. So I'm just gonna take some of this. Rub that together. And then I'm just gonna pat it onto my face so it kind of just gets all over. And then you can always just add more as you go. So, to begin. So basically you just want to use upward motions, kind of outlining all of the lines of your face. So like a good one is your jawline, and just kind of going up, kind of really defining that line. Oh my god, if you can hear my neighbor's dog next door, I'm sorry. And then some circular motions. So this is really just kind of increasing the blood supply in your face, which will help your cells regenerate faster. It's also just stimulating your face and your skin. You can just do whatever feels good. So I like to go up here. I feel like it feels so good under the eyebrows. Another one I like to do is right below the cheekbones, kind of hollowing those out a little bit, do a little bit of lymphatic drainage. But so if you're gonna do the lymphatic drainage, you want to bring it up and then bring it down your neck. So then you're bringing it up your cheekbones and then down your neck, so the lymph fluid is draining down. Another really good one for your forehead wrinkles up here is taking your fingers and going in like a kind of a zigzag, going like back and forth with your fingers above here. It will help minimize your forehead fine lines and wrinkles. It also will just help you firm the muscles in your face. So just like how you work out the muscles in the rest of your body, you kind of need to work out the muscles in your face to keep them the way you want them. So another movement that you can do is just this like pinching movement. It kind of helps draw out some excess sebum in any congested areas of your face. It also just helps with kind of helping that collagen production, kind of stimulating your skin and stimulating the cells. So you can even do it here. I know a lot of French estheticians and French women like doing these little pinching movements to help kind of stimulate the skin, circulate the blood. I like to do it right on my cheekbones. Again, you can do whatever feels good for you. Go as fast or as slow as you want with these movements. And you can even do these when you are cleansing your face. You can do these movements with your cleanser. Even if your moisturizer's like not really absorbing into your skin right away, you can even do it just with your moisturizer. You can do it with face oil. It's totally up to you. I just think especially doing it with your cleanser is a really easy way to kind of give yourself a really good cleanse, but also work in these movements into your day, especially if you have a pretty busy life. And then you can also just push up on here around your mouth. You have these, a lot of people get wrinkles around their mouth, kind of like smile lines. You can push up to kind of lift those and just do little circles. And you can tell my face is getting kind of red, but that's just because of the blood flow and all of the circulation in my face right now. That's kind of how you know it's working in a way. I like to go up and hold it and then push it back. Just bring it down my neck. And then another one you can do is just really lifting. And then the other side, you always want to do it to both sides. You don't want to ever do anything to just one side. Sometimes just pressing lightly against some pressure points around the eye feels so good. Right below the eyebrow. And then you can even just pinch the eyebrows. And then I always like to end just massaging my temples. Okay, so then after I do that, that kind of warms up your skin. I like to personally, especially if I'm doing this in the morning, I like to kind of cool my skin down, and I like to use something cold to kind of wake my skin up. So I have these ice globes that I actually got from Urban Outfitters. They're purple and sparkly. I love them. They're so cool. But basically you can either put them in the refrigerator or just run them under cold water and they get really nice and cold. But so what I like to do is I take them and I go down below my eyes and around my eyes. And it just feels so good, and especially if you go really slow and just kind of leave them there for a second. It feels so nice. You can even take the opposite end of them and go here. And just like rub them in your temples. They feel so good. But the key to using these is, you see there's like a little bit of air at the top. If I lean my head back and do them, I'm able to get it really nice and cold as compared to if it's just here and the top of it is not as cold. And again, I really just like to lift with these. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple, just kind of doing whatever feels good for you and for your skin, and just doing everything in a lifting motion to kind of lift up those muscles and lift up your facial features and really prevent them from sagging. You never want to do anything downwards because it'll increase the aging process. If you just start tugging down on your skin, you just want to lift everything up. But let me know if you guys like this video. I can definitely do more like this, more skincare, anti-aging related videos, so let me know. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you again next week.